Okay. Thank you for your cooperation. First of all, can I have your name and your attending institution?
I'm Nguyễn Quốc Việt, and this is my friend Phùng Thị Tuyên Nhung.
I'm Phùng Thị Tuyên Nhung.
And we are from Vietnam.
Which city are you from?
I'm from Ha Long Bay.
And I'm from Hải Phòng.
Okay. Could you tell me why you choose Japan for your study abroad?
I have been learning Japanese in all the time of my university, and I love the Japan's culture and many things like manga and anime. So I just want to go here to learn about your culture and very many interesting things. So I choose Japan.
Thank you.
Yeah. I also choose Japan because I like Japanese culture and I like Japanese people, and I think I think Japan is nearly from Vietnam, so the weather is maybe the same, and the people maybe kindly like Vietnamese people.
When did you come to Japan?
I have come here for 2 years.
And I came here at 2009.
Okay, so you have been in Japan before the big earthquake. So could you tell me why you stay in Japan after the Great East Japan earthquake?
I think it was a very big thing, but I believe in the Japan's government. They can solve all the problems, and I think I should continue the life here, because I must finish my learning program, and I still love this country so much. Thank you.
How about you?
And for me, I still stay here because my program is not have not yet finished, and the second reason because I like no. I also believe the Japanese government can solve all problem after the earthquake, and my parents suggest me that it's okay. You can continue the study on Japan and try my best. Yeah.
Thank you. And so, do you feel any influence on your life after earthquake, or do you have any trouble on your life now?
No, maybe just a little bit trouble. It's hard to buy poor wood, and I think it's harder to find a new part-time job.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And I think with me, I have not a trouble, but I think, for example, we maybe have a trouble with the buying natural water, but it's not a problem. It's okay. And some problem with escalator and and something like that. But I think right now everything will be okay.
Thank you. So, lastly, could you give us your message for those who are thinking about the study abroad in Japan, for young people in foreign country?
Yes, I want to tell you, come come on Japan.
And I think you can choose Japan because I think Japan have a higher educational level, and every people in Japan is kindly and friendly. Yes.
Thank you for cooperation. I hope you success your study in Japan. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.